This is pretty cool. 92720, 88,200 hertz, 64-bit. There are some souls that probably followed me home today from that cemetery that aren't really familiar with what I do. And apparently there's some souls that are in this house that are very familiar with what I do. This one such soul is telling another soul, sound convert. And that's basically what I'm doing. I'm taking recordings and going up in the frequency, making them wider, adjusting the speeds, making them into something that they weren't. I convert them. And this person totally understands it. Normal sound would be very slow in the frequency increase. Actually disappeared. What happened to it? See? There's a lot of souls here and even my equipment's freaking out.